गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. ब्रेकफास्ट हुआ है ना? गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. थैंक यू. सो रिलेशनशिप कंपास, ये कभी बुक का टाइटल था ही नहीं. इट वॉज नेवर द टाइटल फॉर माई बुक. In fact, when Shanti ma'am told me about the boot camp in Hyderabad, I was very enthusiastic because finally कोई मौका मिलेगा जहाँ पे मैं अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल के दे दूँ बाहर. घर पे तो निकाल नहीं सकता. घर पे फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालने का हक एक ही को है, मेरी बीवी को. मेरे को नहीं है. तो मैं कहाँ निकालूंगा? पुस्तक पे निकालूंगा. तो मैम सेड दैट्स द राइट एवेन्यू फॉर यू टू टेक आउट योर फ्रस्ट्रेशन, your feelings, your thought processes, and your English jargon. So there it was, the boot camp. I was locked up in a resort for 4 days, precisely 3.5, and I was going through different ideas. बहुत प्रिपरेशन करके आया था. बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ लिख के रखा था मैं कि ये लिखूँगा वो लिखूँगा. It was basically on decision making, because always in my contact sphere, in wherever I've discussed or interacted with people, I have seen them struggle with decision making. या फिर जो decision making के साथ struggle कर रहे हैं उन्हीं के साथ मैं interact कर रहा था, maybe the other way around. But then somewhere I thought no, I should start writing on decision making, and उसके पीछे बहुत सारी ideas मैंने generate करके लगाए थे. But then enter the dragon, मुरली सर. मैं बैठ गया उनके साथ. सर ऐसा लिखना चाह रहा हूँ, ऐसा लिखना चाह. मुरली सर, तेरा दिमाग तो ठीक है, कहाँ सोच रहा है? यू हैव टू बी स्पेसिफिक. यू आर अ BNI मेंबर, कम ऑन. स्पेसिफिक इज टेरिफिक. काहे को भूल गया? यू हैव टू मेक इट वेरी स्पेसिफिक. तो देन द डिसीशन मेकिंग वेंट इनटू थिन एयर. देन लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस. मैं अभी वो चिट्टा खोलूंगा नहीं अभी. आई विल कम टू द एंड. Finally, he said that you are very specific on your relationships. So write something which will reflect on the relationships. Make it your own story. Bring out your experiences. उसके लिए मैंने सर को बोला, सर मैं तो आई एम हार्डली मैरिड फॉर 12 years now. सर नहीं, हार्डली मैरिड, नॉट अ हार्ड मैरिज. राइट. सो 12 years. उसके लिए मुरली सर ने बोला, अरे 12 years में तो जुपिटर एक अपना राउंड खत्म करता है, तेरी क्या चीज़ है? तो लिख. 12 years is a good experience to write. People out there are married for 1 year, 2 year, they are calling it quits with their partners. Let them be inspired by your relationships. तो ठीक है, I started writing, and one big goal I had was, if I'm doing it, let me do it at the earliest possible. And the first discussion I had with Shanti ma'am was, ma'am, I want to launch it at the earliest. कब तक होएगा? मैम बोली, बेटा टिल्ट में कर ले, टिल्ट में लॉन्च कर ले. मैम टिल्ट तो अभी है. तो मैम ने, मैंने कब बोला अभी नहीं है? तू अभी लिख, तो अभी कर. तो it went on for some time, and then again entered the second dragon, Guna. I spoke to Guna. Guna, how do I do it? He said, follow the framework, follow the content, remember your context, type it out, and do your hard work and bring it out. It's all in your court. And I would say I got a lot of support from my wife, from my 2 little kids. Neither of them sleep properly without my assistance. I have to put my elder one to bed, then my younger one to bed, then I go to bed myself. So they have been away from me for almost 20 days. They didn't disturb me, because a lot of iterations, reiterations, writing, rewriting, checking, rechecking, lot of thing was there, because my target was to launch it in Tilt. I didn't want to lose this opportunity. So TLC has been always there. I would not say backbone. It is much more than the backbone. I'll literally give you a metaphorical anecdote. We literally see people who are paralyzed, quadriplegic people. How many of you understand what is quadriplegia? Ever seen Guzarish movie, Hrithik Roshan? Only head is talking, baki body is like gone case. I was like that quadriplegic patient, not literally in terms of thought and writing the book. It was TLC which gave me the power. It was Shanti ma'am who gave me the power. It was Murli sir, it was Guna who were always behind me. Magesh was always there, constantly giving me phone calls, mails, messages. Ho raha hai kya? Ho raha hai kya? Ho raha hai kya? Are you submitting? Are you submitting? How many chapters you have done? And Guna was at the back. He is more than a brother. He gave me a lot of push. There was a time I sat down. मुझसे नहीं होगा यार. I don't want to do it. He brought me up. He said, "You want to launch in Tilt? You have to do it. No other go, buddy. You have to do it." And then Shanti ma'am was there at the back. She was giving me boost up. We both belong to one chapter. Every Friday she makes me sit for 10-15 minutes. क्या problem है? क्या problem है? हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है. ऐसा सोच. Don't make it a mess out of your decision. Make it a proper decision to take. And then make it. Launch it in Tilt. सोच मत क्या लिख रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, mistakes है. No. There's always a place for correction. There's always a place for correction. There's always a second time. So TLC has been there as that harness which has literally pulled me up from the chair, held me standing tall, and then made my first step forward. So thank you so much, TLC. Gratitude will be a very small word to use for the support which I've got from TLC. And Murli sir, of course. No wonder people call him Guru Murli. So thank you so much. Anish Murthy signing off.